is Nabila with WPFunnels, and today I'll show you how you can send your users' data from your sales funnels to your MailerLite account. So let's get started. To send data to your MailerLite account, you need to install and activate WPFunnels and WPFunnels Pro on your WordPress dashboard, and then you need to add the WPFunnels integration add-on and activate it as well. I've already done that, and now I'm going to go to WPFunnels integration tabs. Alright, here you can find all the automations tool that has integration with the WPFunnels plugin. Now I'm just going to show you the MailerLite one. I'm going to activate it, and you can see that an API key field has been appeared here. Alright, now I have to go to my MailerLite account to generate this API key. So let's go there, and from there I'm going to click on the integration tab. Now I have to click on the API use. They will give me an option to generate a new token. Alright, when I click on here, I'm going to see a token name option. So let's give a token name. Let's create the token. Alright, now I have to copy this and go back to my integrations, and I'll paste it here and click on authorize now. So once you've authorized it, now you can add MailerLite to any of your existing funnel, or maybe you can create one and add there. Now let's go to my overview page. You can see that there are two sales funnels here. Alright, so I'm gonna add trigger to this Beauty Products Pro funnel. So let's click on edit, and you can see that this is a 4-step funnel. Now I'm going to go to the integrations tab. So once I go there, you can see that a connect CRM option has been appeared. Alright, so when you click on it, you can find MailerLite here, and you can select that. Then you'll be given two different options. One is user event and another one is add to a group. So user event is basically the number of actions that your users are supposed to take when they go through your funnel journey. So now you have to select one of the triggers. You can select any of them. I'm going to select after opt-in form submit and add this to a group, which is lead gen. Now let's add another user event. Another user event should be, let's say, main order accepted, and I'm gonna give this under the order accepted group. Now let's save this, go back, and let's view the front end. Now let's open this in an incognito window. Alright, so this is the landing page. You can see that I have added an opt-in form here. Alright, so once your user submits an email through this opt-in form, you should be able to find that email into your lead gen group in your MailerLite account. So let's give an email, and let's just add a message, and once your users clicks on this CTA, you should be able to find this email to in your MailerLite account. Alright, so let's go to my MailerLite account. Let's go to subscribers, and you'll find some groups here. Alright, so let's go to the groups. You can see there are 3 groups here. Alright, order accepted, upsell accepted, lead gen. So when you click on the view group, you can see that Nabila@getwpfunnels.com email has been added here. Alright, so this is when your users go through the funnel journey and maybe submits an email through an opt-in form, maybe a pop-up form. You can get that data via your MailerLite account. Now let me show you the other user event that I've created on my funnel and how that works. So let's go to my landing page, and I am going to trigger this CTA, which leads me to the checkout page in order to buy the product. So I'm just going to simply place order, and before placing order, I'm going to show you the email address that I'm using to place this order, which is johndoe@gmail.com. So once you place the order, I'm going to pass it. I'm just going to redirect to the thank you page. Alright, so now let's go back and let's check if this specific email address has been added to my MailerLite account or not. Let's just check the group from here. I have added that under the order accepted group. So when I click here, here's the johndoe@gmail.com email that has been added under this specific group. So this is it, guys. This is how you can send any of your user data from your sales funnel to your MailerLite account. I'll see you in one of my next videos.